Hello everybody, it's a big project today. We're going to be cleaning doors and the wood paneling up in here. So I'll set this up on the tripod and do a time lapse like I typically do. So let's get started on that. I'm going to use the Murphy oil soap in a bucket of hot water and just go to town on this stuff. So half the room is done. Let's do a water check. Definitely time to pour off and mix up a fresh batch of water. And that's why it's important to periodically do a deep clean of the house. Getting rid of all that dirt. Alright, I got my fresh water and a fresh battery, so let's get the other half of the room done. Well, about 3 hours later, just about done. Got to hang up some of the last pictures over here and then run the vacuum. This room will be deep cleaned, and it only took 3 hours. Here's the water for the other side of the room, just every bit as dirty. So I'm going to break for lunch. After lunch, going to mix up a new batch of water. Going to get after the doors and the baseboards. And there's some more dirt out of the house. It is time to clean the doors and baseboards and surrounding door frames. I'm going to start in here in this front room. Do a time lapse and just go throughout the house, each door and each room, and get it all done. right, after a little bit of work, all the doors, and the baseboards are all cleaned up. Should be good to go for another year. It's amazing how dirty these things get, and you don't realize it, but we're all good now. Like I said earlier, it's nice to have a good and clean house for the winter time, because we'll be stuck indoors a little bit more than normally. But so once again, cleaning the doors and baseboards in the house with Murphy oil soap. Thank you for watching.